Hello viewer, hope you all are well. Today I will try to show how to set up Drupal 8 on localhost. Today I am taking the help of Proxmox vs MWare from my local to set up Drupal 8, and I'm using TurnKey as a script. Now I am creating a configuration for the virtual machine. First of all, you need to download the script from TurnKey server. So first you need to go to the city image option of your hard disk, and from there come to download, and from there download the script you need. If you try the way I show in this video, you will be able to complete the task very easily. But if you have any problem in understanding something, then definitely comment on this video. We will try our best to help you. Now from the location shown on the screen you have to download the script you need. Here I have tried to clearly show you how to download it and how to upload it to the server from your hard disk. This script does not take much time to download, but it depends on your internet speed and your server capacity. Now after the script is downloaded, your task is to create a virtual computer through this script. So let's start creating that virtual computer. You can see there is a button named Create City on the top right side. From that Create City we have to create the virtual computer. After clicking Create City, you will need to name a virtual computer and create a password for the virtual computer you are creating. Next you need to point the script to the location with the virtual computer's installation system. Next you need to determine how much space you need for the app you are installing and select the space from here. Since I'm making a tutorial, I'm taking as much space as I need. If you're making this for professional work, you should definitely take as much space as you need for your professional work, or a bit more. From here you have to select your virtual computer capacity, in which case how many cores you take here will be convenient for you to run a web application. Depends on your own opinion, as I am making a tutorial, so I am taking 1 core here. This place is very important. Here you have to select an IP of your router. As I use static IP, so here I will put static IP. If you are using DHCP or dynamic, then you just select on dynamic and next you're done. Now you need to go to your console, and from there you need to enter root directory with password. And then your main installation will start. So let's start. All we have done so far is to create a virtual computer and define the script inside it. Now we will start building a complete application with that script. Here your user ID will be root, and you need to log in to the root directory by entering the password you provided while creating the system. Here you have to create admin password, and in that case you have to create 8-digit password, and where the password has to be made as a complex password, like you have to give uppercase letters, then you have to give special characters and numbers, so you have a complicated password. Create and enter that password twice here. Here it will ask you to give domain address in case you don't have any address, then in case you have set it in local IP, or in case you have set up ID in local system, you have to give your local IP here. After reaching this, you have to give an email address, and after giving that email address you have to click on install. After clicking on install, you have to wait for some time for installation. It took me about 8 minutes to complete the install, so I've fast forwarded these places. In your case, it may take less or longer depending on the capabilities of the virtual computer you created. You can see here some IP are showing. Through these IP are giving you confirmation that the application is installed in your local host. In that case, you need to log in and use the application through these IP. So let's see if the IP work or our application is installed correctly. We can understand them from these IP. You can see here the page is loaded. When I give the IP copy to the browser, that means we can assume that we can easily install the application this way. So if you like the video, then please stay with us if you have any difficulty in understanding. Of course, there is a special request to inform us in the comment box. We will try our best to support you.